This man seen here, Rajput Narain, is said to have been the personal bodyguard of former Attorney General Anil Nandlall. Days after political activist Courtney Crum E was gunned down, Narain emerged a person of interest to the police since his name had featured prominently in the assassination of Crum E. The Attorney General at the time, Anil Nandlall, had hastily called a press conference and distanced himself from ever knowing Rajput Narain.
I hope I have clearly demonstrated that I only came into contact with Rajput Narain after the death of Courtney Crum E. I take this opportunity to deny any involvement whatsoever in that incident.
Now, the current Attorney General, Basil Williams, has unearthed documents in his chambers which suggest that Nandlall had been withholding vital information about Rajput Narain.
And he said Rajput Narain only worked in there for 4 days. But I went in as Attorney General and the records show that Rajput Narain was paid there, was being paid and for a much longer period than 4 days.
Narain was detained by the police following Crum E.'s execution but was released. He had gone to TVG Channel 28 with a prepared list of questions and answers after the killing. It appears now that the documents show that Rajput was allegedly hired by Nandlall days after the killing of Crum E.
And there was a man named Rajput Narain who was immediately after this murder taken in by Nandlall. And everybody knows this for protection from the police who might be investigating.
In fact, Nightly News had been the first to interview the former Attorney General after the gunning down of Crum E. Even then, Nandlall had distanced himself from the murder. Here's an excerpt from that 2015 interview.
That the police should leave no stone unturned in their investigations. And I hope that those who perpetrated this horrible act will be brought to justice. It is unfortunate, it is wicked, and it is an act of, I would say, political machinations to try to connect me to the demise of this gentleman.
Crime Chief Wendell Blanham confirmed that Reagan Rodriguez, called Grey Boy, would have to be rearrested and questioned further now that the DPP has ordered the case reopened. It is unclear what the police approach would be now, given this new revelation involving Rajput Narain. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.